Wildlife. What is wildlife? Wildlife refers to undomesticated animal species, but has come to include all organisms that grow or live, without being introduced by humans. Was it interesting? Not really. So let's make it interesting by having a closer view of wildlife. So here we go. Wow! It was amazing. I am sure you must have enjoyed it. So now, after seeing the beauty of wildlife, you would be more interested in exploring wildlife with me. So, let's get started. So now, wildlife is simply animals living in their natural habitat, and not under the control of humans. Okay, before talking about each and every animals in detail, let's know why wildlife is important for us. What is the importance of wildlife? Wildlife plays a very important role in our life. Wildlife helps to maintain the ecological balance of nature by being a part of food chain. Moreover, killing carnivores leads to an increase in herbivores, which in turn affect the forest vegetation. Thus, due to lack of food, they come off their habitat. So, we can conclude that wildlife helps to keep the food chain in place, and thereby maintaining ecological stability. So now, we are aware about the importance of wildlife. Without plants and animals, our life would not be possible. Oxygen, food, soil, clothes, all came from flora and fauna only. Thus, we should always protect our wildlife. The main reason for protecting wildlife are: mankind is very ignorant and cruel towards wildlife. We are cutting trees for our personal business, thereby reducing forest. Hunting of animals in jungles makes us lose more wildlife. Pollution is also one of the major causes. So, let's see how we can protect wildlife. We can protect them by habitat management. That is, to protect their natural habitat by planting more trees. Can you guess any more? Okay. We can also protect them by developing protective areas such as national parks and wildlife sanctuaries for wildlife. Okay. Let me ask you a question. Do you think that zoo also helps in protecting wildlife? No. Let's find out the reason. Zoos are man-made environment for wildlife. But this environment is very different from their natural environment. Look at these pictures. Does they seem to be happy? Not really, they want to be free. So, they are unhappy because they have been taken away from their family and natural habitat, which is forest, and they are missing it. Imagine how you would feel if you were taken away from your family and friends, and put in cages, so that people can see you. Of course, you would not be happy. Similarly, animals also are unhappy. Thus, zoos are not the best place for protecting wildlife. Then which is the best place? That's right. National parks. National parks are forest areas where animals are protected in their natural habitat. Can you see that animals are happy in their natural homes? Thus, we should not keep them in cages, because the only beautiful cage is an empty cage. Moreover, in national parks, extra care of animals is taken. Here people are appointed for protecting animals from hunters. They also take care of their health. So animals also have the right to enjoy their life, because the earth was made for all beings, not just for human beings. Do you know where we can find these national parks? Well, they are found all over the world. India also has a number of national parks. There are 104 national parks existing in India. Let's see some of them. Jim Corbett National Park. It is India's oldest national park, situated in Uttarakhand, at foothill of Himalayas. Named after famous naturalist, Jim Corbett. Famous for its tiger population. Second is Hemis National Park. It is India's largest national park. Situated in Ladakh. It is famous for snow leopard. Yellowstone National Park. It is world's oldest national park. Situated in western United States. It is famous for its bison herds. Okay. Do you know when is World's Wildlife Day? It is 3rd March. And when did the Wildlife Protection Act started? It was passed in 1972. So now we are ready with the basic knowledge of wildlife. Are you interested to know about each and every animals in detail and in much more interesting manner? Then don't worry, we are going to uploading videos on particular animals. So, subscribe for now.